Don't throw away lemon peels. 23 Exciting uses you must know. You already know about the versatility and benefits of lemon juice and never forget to make the most of it. But after squeezing the juice out of a lemon, what do you do with the peels? Simply throw them away, right? Not anymore. The peels of the fruit are just as versatile as its juice. Here are 23 clever and exciting uses of lemon peels you must know. Before going into the video, we've just printed more copies of what is probably the best plant medicine book ever written, The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description. Now let's get into today's video. Lemon peels for culinary purposes. Being rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fibers, lemon peels have vast culinary uses. Learn how to use them for these purposes and give your body a nutritional boost. 1. Zest off the lemons and use them in your dishes. Lemon zest adds wonderful flavor to both sweet and spicy food items. Put the extra zest in an airtight container and put it inside the refrigerator for later use. 2. Want to try an inexpensive seasoning that can excite your taste buds like anything? Make lemon pepper seasoning at home with dried lemon zest, freshly cracked pepper, and salt. Super easy. 3. Ever thought that you can make lemon extract at home on your own? Put some freshly grated lemon peels in use and make your cookies, muffins, and mousse even more tantalizing. 4. If you want to give your baked items a burst of lemon flavor, prepare some lemon sugar by pouring lemon peel extract powder into a jar of sugar. This is awesome for a subtle tangy taste. 5. Forget regular olive oil. Now, you can give it a yummy makeover by adding some grated lemon peel. You'll definitely love the flavor of this homemade lemon olive oil. 6. Make long strips of the lemon peels, put them in the ice tray, and wait until the ice cubes are formed. Your summer party drinks will look even brighter with these frozen lemon twists. 7. If you have a sweet tooth, you'll love having candied lemon peels. These can be enjoyed plain, made yummier by dipping into melted chocolate, or used in baked food items. Lemon peels for skin and hair. From your skin to your hair to your teeth, lemon peels can beautify almost every part of your body. Know the uses below. 1. The acidic property of lemon peels can lighten and brighten our skin tone. Being a natural bleaching agent, it can be used for scrubbing the comparatively darker areas like elbows, heels, etc. Finely chopped lemon peels can be mixed with sugar and olive oil to make an excellent body scrub. If you are using it as a skin brightener on your face, make sure that you skip the areas around the eyes and lips. 2. Tired of those pesky age spots on your face? Rub the areas with lemon peels twice every day as a skin lightener and they will become significantly lighter within weeks. 3. Lemon peels can make yellow fingernails completely white with their citric nature. To use them as a nail whitener, just rub your nails thoroughly with a few of them and you're done. 4. Just like your nails, lemon peels can also be used as a teeth whitener. Rub a few of them on your teeth and rinse well with water. However, do not do it frequently as the acid content of the peels can take a toll on your teeth's enamel. 5. When it comes to getting soft, beautiful feet, lemon peels can work wonders. Make your own moisturizing lemon foot soak by combining almond milk, olive oil, and lemon essential oil with some boiled lemon peels and get rid of dry, cracked feet easily. 6. If you are dying to get healthy shiny locks, a citrus vinegar hair rinse will be ideal for you. Prepare it yourself by soaking a handful of lemon peels in a jar filled with apple cider vinegar for a couple of weeks and then straining them out. While using, mix 1 tablespoon of this solution with 1 cup of plain water and rinse your hair with it. Lemon peels, other uses. Besides culinary and beauty uses, lemon peels have plenty of other interesting uses too. We bet you'll be surprised to know most of them. Here we go. 1. The fresh citrus aroma of lemon peels is a cure for travel sickness. Smelling the peels can help you stop feeling nauseous on your way. 2. You can make your own homemade vitamin C powder by dehydrating and grinding lemon peels. 3. Putting a few lemon peels in a container filled with brown sugar can keep it moist, soft, and easy to use. 4. Does your refrigerator smell awful? Keep a few lemon peels inside and freshen it up with a beautiful citrus fragrance. 5. Make your all-purpose lemon vinegar cleaner by infusing leftover lemon peels in white vinegar for 2 weeks. It is great for cutting grease, cleaning, and disinfecting various stuff including sinks and bathtubs. 6. The deposits of minerals in a tea kettle or coffee pot look extremely ugly. In order to remove it, boil water in the kettle or pot with some lemon peels, cool it down for an hour, and rinse well. 7. Putting lemon peel slices near door entrances, thresholds, cracks, windowsills, etc. can help you get rid of cats, pests, and insects, ants, cockroaches, fleas, and so forth. 8. Sanitize your cutting board from time to time by rubbing its surface with lemon peels. The antibacterial properties of lemon will help prevent food poisoning. 9. The odor of garbage disposal becomes terrible at times. Throw some lemon peels at its bottom to absorb the stink and make it smell fresh. 10. Want to keep your house smelling heavenly while keeping the dry heat away in winter? Add lemon peels, orange peels, cinnamon sticks, and cloves to a pot of water simmering at the lowest stovetop settings. The aroma is simply awesome and it works as a humidifier too. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.